Hello, y'all. It's Grandma Alaska here from the Great Alaska Outback. Well, we're gonna be going on some adventures this summer, and we thought we'd take y'all along with us. We're gonna be doing some four-wheeler trails up in the mountains to see some glaciers that are up there. But right now we're focused on jet ski. It's jet ski time. So we're gonna go down to Wasilla, pick up a brand new seadoo, and then we'll see y'all out there on the rivers and the lake. Should be a really good time. I know we're gonna enjoy it, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Right now, walking my dogs, Scrappy Doo and Tazzy too. Hand me that stick. This one smart dog right here, she loves to play fetch. But let's get on out to that water and show you this new jet ski. See you in a minute. Well, we're on our way. We're on our way to Wasilla to get that jet ski. Woohoo! So this is what it looks like going down the highway to Wasilla. When we get there, we'll show you the jet ski. Then we'll put it in the water and take it for a spin.
That's our kind of place. And I said, it's spelled Knotty. I said, they have knotted burls and wood and whatever. They sell Alaskan trinkets. He said, oh, I thought maybe it was an adult store.
No.
Just a play on words, naughty shop.
Now we're going down into the canyon right before we come out into Denali Park. And they do river rafting right along the highway here. There's a river right there. They raft that river. It's pretty fun. I've done it before. You go down into the river. Pretty good rapids on there in places. And you come out into this little area of hotels at Denali Park. Scenic views of the mountains all around. Town in the middle of nowhere right before the park. There's plenty of places to stay here when you visit. There's where our jet ski is, right over there at Team C. We're almost there. I'm so excited. There it is, my brand new jet ski. Woohoo! Yeah.
There's Grandma Alaska on her maiden voyage on her new Sea-Doo GTX 170. Looks like it didn't take her long to get that figured out. We're over here at Ezra Lake. It's a pond kind of by our house that ties into the river system out the back. We call it Ezra Lake because our son Ezra came out here driving our little John boat with a small Honda engine and was driving like a maniac and flipped it upside down. It did not hurt him or the boat, luckily, but he sure was cold. So this will forever be Ezra Lake.
Had a big oops. I sucked a bunch of rocks up, so Todd's fixing it for me. I didn't let it get out far enough, and yeah, looks like he got it fixed though. Wow, I'm so glad he was able to fix it for me. He's such a good husband. Thank you, Todd. Aww. The blue jet ski will ride again. thanks to me. Well, I hope you guys liked that video. Got the jet ski in the water, tested out, and we're back home now. And thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe and like my videos. I hope to have many more out there with lots of adventures. See you guys next time.